Good morning students. My name is Khushbu and we are back with our next video. Today we are not going to do something new. Instead, we will have recap of chapter number 2, Selfless Service. So, let's start with a quick recap of the chapter. As we all know that Swami Vivekananda was a great sannyasi. People come to him and ask so many religious questions. Once he was sitting at railway station in Rajasthan, and since 3 days people were coming and asking so many questions, but no one asked for food from Swamiji. By this 3 days, 3 nights passed. On third night, one poor man, he was very noble. He came to Swamiji and asked, Swamiji, you haven't ate anything since 3 days. When Swamiji said, no, give me some food, he felt like king will punish him, that if Swamiji will accept food from a poor man. So he said, I can't give food to you, but yes, I can bring some coarse flour and dal to you and you can cook it yourself. But Swamiji said, no, if you will give me food, then only I will eat it. While Swamiji was eating those rotis and he was offering those rotis to Swamiji, some gentlemen of high caste saw them. They came and said, Swamiji, how you can accept food from this poor man? He is of low caste. Then Swamiji replied that you people made me talk continuously for 3 days, 3 nights without asking any food, water or rest. Can't you see the humanity this man has shown? That he has asked food from me. And you are condemning him like he is of a low caste and I should not take food from him. So by this, what we have learnt? We have learnt if we will do good with someone, the good will come back to us. Like with this man, his good deed came back to him in the form of respect by Swamiji in front of those high caste gentlemen. Now let's revise word meanings. Engrossed means interested. Overpowered means overcame. Penurious means extremely poor. Pondered means thought about something carefully. Overlook means ignore. Now let's revise make sentences. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that expresses a statement or question. Remember, a sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a question mark or full stop. Let's see some examples of sentences. There is a crack. I can play the drum. The frog can hop. I like to eat grapes. Now, these are the make sentences we have done in our notebook. Now, let's recap the question answers we have done. Question number 1 is, how did the people keep Swamiji engaged for 3 days? Answer. People kept Swamiji engaged for 3 days and nights by asking religious questions. Question number 2. What did the poor man notice? Answer. The poor man noticed that Swamiji was continuously talking without taking any rest, food or water. Question number 3. Swamiji, my heart yearns to give you some rotis, but how can I? I have touched the rotis I have. If you permit, I will bring you some coarse flour and dal, and you can prepare some rotis as you please. So here with this context, we have to answer the questions which are given below. A part. Who said these words and to whom? The poor man said these words to Swamiji. B part. Why was the speaker hesitant in offering his food? The speaker was hesitant in offering his food because he belongs to the low caste. Question number C. What kind of person was the speaker? The speaker was noble and large-hearted. Question number 4. Why did Swamiji feel that God had appeared in front of him when he saw the cobbler? Answer. Swamiji felt that God had appeared in front of him when he saw the cobbler with food because he was hungry from 3 days. Question number 5. You claim you are gentlemen and boast of your high caste. What is more shameful is that you condemn this man for being a low caste. Can you overlook the humanity he has just shown and despise him without feeling ashamed? So again we are having this context, and by referring to it we have to answer the questions given below. A part. Who boasted of their high caste? Answer. Some gentlemen boasted of their high caste. B. Whom did the gentleman condemn and why? Answer. Gentleman condemned the low caste poor man as he offered food to Swamiji. C part. What humanity had the man shown? Answer. The man had shown his humanity by offering food to Swamiji without expecting anything in return. At last we have done punctuation. Punctuation marks, you remember what were punctuation marks? Full stop, comma, exclamation mark, question mark, inverted commas, hyphen, and so many are there. And you all know how to use these punctuation marks. And the most important is every sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or question mark. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.